All right, this time we're going to work backwards. And now we have already transformed the graph. And so now I need to essentially say what is happening after we transform these so I can match it to one of these 6 graphs. So we are still using this table that we filled out last video. When I have y equals x squared plus 2, what is happening to that graph? Do I get a vertical shift, a horizontal? Is it being stretched or compressed or reflected? And hopefully we know that that's a vertical stretch, because what is happening is we're taking that function, right? X squared is my function, and I am adding something to the end of it. So that's going to make this graph go up 2 units. So it looks like that's going to be this graph right here. So then what's happening on B? Well, I know that this plus 2 here is shifting it up. What is this negative doing out here? Well, the only things that have to do anything with negative are my reflection. So now the question is it being reflected along the X or along the Y? Well, because it's a negative right out front and not inside the function, that means it's being reflected across the X. So which one is being shifted up 2 units and also being reflected along the X axis? Hopefully we know, and I probably should have said this from the beginning, but we can look at the graphs and we should know from previous lessons that X squareds are parabolas. So if this is getting shifted or reflected along the X, it means now this is going down. So which one has been shifted up 2 and also being reflected? This one right here. It went up 1, 2 units and now it's going upside down. So this one here, what's happening? Are we getting a vertical, horizontal shift? Are we being vertically stretched or compressed or reflected? Well, hopefully we can see that this is inside some groupings, so it is inside the function. And because it is minus, that means we are shifting to the right 2. So which one here has been shifted to the right 2 units? And it looks like this one here. Started at the origin and it's been shifted 1, 2 units over. So this one, this negative out in front means it's again being reflected along the x-axis because it's out front. To be reflected along the y, it would have to be inside the grouping, inside the function. So we have another x-axis, so it's got to be going upside down again. And then this plus 2, this one is inside the grouping, inside the function. So plus h means we're going to the left 2 units. So which one is upside down and to the left? That's going to be this one here. Upside down, it started at the origin, now it's 1, 2 units over. So this is E. Okay, so now these are being stretched vertically because my A is greater than 1. So these both are being stretched. So then the difference is this negative out front. This one doesn't have a negative, so it's going to be the right way. This one's going to be upside down again because that negative means x-axis reflection. So that leaves this here to be E, which we can see it has been stretched not skinnier, right? Watch that last video. It's not skinnier, but it has been stretched. And this one here has been stretched and it's upside down. So this is my F. So it went B, C, E, A, D, F.